Hey everyone, today I will show you guys how to download INcredibox Sprunki on mobile devices. This works for both iOS and Android. You'll be able to get the full game with all mods included and remasters included as well for free.as. You can see I'm playing it and everything is working fine. I have all characters unlocked and everything is working fine. So let me show you guys how to download INcredibox Sprunki onto your mobile device right now with this really simple and easy trick. Let's get started. Alright, so now that I showed you guys the app and that it works, I will now show you guys all how to download the app onto your iOS or Android device very easily and fast. But before I show you guys how to install it, if you're on iOS or an iPhone device, we have to change some settings in our phone really quick before you can download it. If you're on Android, you don't have to change any settings. Only iOS devices have to make the changes. So first go into your battery settings and make sure low power mode is turned off. This is very important and can mess up the install if you leave it on. After we get the app, you can revert all your settings back to normal, so don't worry, it's just for the install. Then after you guys turn off low power mode, go into general settings, then find background app refresh option and make sure you have it turned on to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It cannot be off. If it's off, it can also mess up the install. Okay, anyways guys, we are all good to go and now ready to get our app installed. So what you guys have to do is very simple. On your iOS or Android device, go to this website called pluginsurf.com. This site has a bunch of tweaked apps and games that we can download for free without needing a jailbreak or anything complicated. So once you're on the site, go to the search bar on the site and type in INcredibox Sprunki. Now tap the app and then click the button that says start installation on the pop-up. Now you will have to wait for this to load. It usually is fast and will load under 30 seconds usually. Then once it loads, there will be one last step we must do in order to finish installing our app fully onto our iOS or Android device for free. So you will see something like this pop up. So before you can use the full app, you will have to complete 2 plugins from the list. Basically, for the app to fully run and load, it needs this, and it is required for the app to work. But it's simple, you just tap the app or plugin and read the instructions and do exactly as it says. Then, once you've done one, you go back and do one more, because you have to do 2 for it to count. But some of them are really easy, like for example, this TikTok one that wants us to just download the app and run it for 30 seconds. Some of them also have different instructions like this Travel Town one, where it wants us to complete a task in the game and get to like a certain level. But whatever plugin file you choose, just make sure you do exactly as the instructions say and do 2 of them. And all of these apps or plugins are completely safe. They just take you to the App Store or Google Play Store. So everything here is completely verified and not from random shady sites. Just so you guys know this is safe to do. Also guys, if your apps or plugin files look different than mine, like they're different apps or whatever, that's fine as well. It sometimes changes depending on like your location and stuff. But once you complete the instructions of 2 of them, then it will pop up that the app is now installing exactly like this. As you can see, it's saying I successfully did 2 plugin files. And now it's saying it's going to finish downloading the full plugin file to my phone, which is great news. Also, if you don't see this, it might say error, and it might ask you to redo it. And in that case, you will have to do another 2 plugin files that are completely different to the ones you did. So make sure you do everything correctly. If you're on Android, you just do the exact same process, and it will be the exact same way to install the plugin. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.